What's going on, guys? I'm Brent, the face of this here Motonosity channel, and welcome to the new house. I'm not joking. It's not clickbait. It is 40 degrees though, so I'm gonna go back inside. Not clickbait. It's my house. I own it, and I am living in it. I know this comes as a shock. You probably were not. There is no indication that we are moving into a new house. This is our new house. This is where the videos will be taking place from now on. This is where the builds will be happening. And I have not been more excited for a place that we've lived ever. I do have some inspiration though for you. Side by side or miles apart, sisters will always be connected by heart. This is what's on the mug. It's not my mug, it's Abby's mug, but figured I'd share that with you guys. You guys want a tour? This, again, I know I never said anything. Okay, I said one thing. I think I said I had a very big surprise that was happening in January. This is that big surprise. We've been in the house for a week. We're still in Austin, so don't worry. We haven't left Texas. We've just moved into a bigger house, a much bigger house with basically everything that we've wanted in a house for years now. You wanna go outside? Jackson, do you wanna go inside? Or outside? Lacey, do you wanna go outside? Huh? Hey, Jackson. Do you think Lacey wants to go outside? Do you think she wants to go outside? Oh, you wanna go outside? How about you, Sierra? Yo, check out this backyard. It's probably about the same size as our other yard, but it's pretty cool. It's just like pie shape. Goes over here, goes back over here. Oh, we also have a trampoline, so I can practice my, 720 McFlips or what have you. Maybe learn some stuff for the next time I go snowboarding. I've never owned a trampoline, but the previous owners didn't want to take it. So they were like, we're gonna leave it. And if you want to get rid of it, you can do so yourself. So we have it. So yeah, where do I start? By the way, please excuse the mess. We've been in here a week. We're not quite done unpacking. It's probably gonna take us months. But I feel like where we're at for having only been here a week is pretty good. We have everything put away in the kitchen aside from all the junk that's still on the counter. Living room is for the most part done. By the way, check it out. We got one of these new LG OLED TVs. It makes my videos look so good. Fun fact, I release and edit all my videos in 4K, but I've never actually seen my videos in 4K because I've never had a 4K screen. But now I do. All right, let's start up here at the front. Should I go back outside to the front, show you guys the front patio? Got a nice little patio. It's got a good little welcome sign. Welcome. And yay, you're here. You guys are awesome. Thanks for coming. Hit that subscribe button. Should I put another mat here that says hit the subscribe button? Got a garage here that I'm gonna show you in just a minute. Again, I said this house has everything that we wanted in a house for ages, but we never got the house that we really, really, really wanted. I wouldn't say that it's like end goal dream house. We're not there yet in life, but at this stage in our life, this is a dream house. So we got office, which is not put together. We got garage on the left, cabinet, cupboard under the stairs. That's where we keep Harry Potter. He's doing all right. We got laundry room. Like I said, we got kitchen here. It is huge, huge. Abby, like I said, everything in a house that we've wanted. Big kitchen. We put everything away and we still have empty cabinets. I don't know what we're gonna do with all the space. It's kind of amazing. Lots of room for snacks and stuff. We got a little dining area. This table that we had in our old house looks incredibly small, but that's okay because we did get a big table that needs to be refinished from a friend for free. That's gonna look pretty awesome right here. We got a new super awesome colorful rug because everything else is like gray and white and black, so we figured we had to have a nice little splash of color. Got to keep things spicy. Nice living room, like I said, new LG OLED. What are we watching now? Oh, what's up, Motonosity? How you doing? What are you building today? Probably a ruckus? I think that's what I was building in this video. One of the things that you guys have brought up the most in the past few houses that we've lived in is how much you guys miss the garage from my old house in Austin before we left. Oh, look, old R1. What's up? So this is my old garage full painted walls, redone floor, cabinets. But should I show you the garage or should I show you the rest of the house first? Let me show you the rest of the house. So, living room, awesome. By the way, this is like one of my favorite parts about the house, how open it is. It just opens up to the second story, all the way up. More light in here than I think I've ever had in a house. It's amazing. Show you where the magic happens, not the garage. Got a bathroom. That's not where the magic happens, but it's there. Bedroom, again, not everything is put away, but more light, amazing. Huge bathroom. Oh, another thing that we've wanted in a house, mainly me, because, well, I'm tall, I'm 6'2", and normal showers, they're too short. I've always wanted a shower that was huge. It's not a rainfall shower. That would be like ideal, but next best thing. I can actually fit under the shower for once. So that's cool. First thing that I did when we moved into the house was install these boards. I always do this, every single house. I get these boards from Home Depot and I screw them in to the bottom of the fence around the entire yard. These things right here. And I just push them down, screw them into the fence, and that way, this guy over here, Mr. Jackson, hey, yeah, you, I'm talking about you. That way he can't pull off the fence boards because he is a pro at it. He just pulls off the fence board and they get out. I see you, Sierra. I see you. Way over there. Anyways, so that's what they do. He breaks the boards, the rest of the dogs follow. It's a whole team effort. So I nipped that in the bud right from the start and boarded up the whole fence. So tip for you guys, if you got a dog that gets out, get those things from Home Depot, just board them up at the top bottom of the fence. Keeps them in for the most part. So that is the downstairs. We've got an upstairs, like I said. First level opens up to the second level, pretty awesome. I've always wanted a house that did this. Upstairs is not as exciting. It's mainly all the kids stuff. We've got a little playroom here. Woohoo! By the way, if you want a TV that's relatively big and awesome, this one, I'll link it down in the description. It's a TCL right here. This one's a 50-inch. I never thought I would think a 50-inch looked a little bit small, but they make them in bigger sizes as well. This one was $260 off Amazon. Looks pretty darn good. Roku built in. It's a nice TV. It's crazy how far TVs have come. Okay, so this is playroom. I'm gonna be quiet because little baby Emmett is sleeping. His room is down there at the end of the hallway, and then Aylin's room is this one right here, Frozen themed if you can't tell. And then right here, we have guest room. Been working on putting this bed together. Just got it in this morning, but didn't finish it because I realized I left my impact at the old house and I didn't want to waste time just using the little tiny Allen key. This thing, I'm really excited for this. This was advertised in the listing as a theater room because I hope you guys can actually see me. The whole thing is wired for a theater. They've got rear speakers built in. They got front speakers built in. They've got speakers in the ceiling built in. They have all the wiring set up. They had a projector screen here. They had a little thing, a mount point for the projector up there. I'm not gonna use it as a theater room, but what I am gonna do with this room is make this into a studio space. So I'll be able to set up a couple different spots here to do some talking head video stuff. And also, we've been planning on launching a podcast, Abby and I, for a long time now, but I wanted to do it right. And we finally have the space that we can do it in. So podcast with Abby and I is coming. If you guys are into that, let me know down in the comments what you guys wanna see from it. But that brings us to the final spot that I know you guys have been probably looking forward to the most since you clicked on this video. Here is the garage. And this is where the real magic is gonna happen. Ever since we left the house in Austin, I have been dreaming of a house. Even before we bought the house in Austin the first time, I've been dreaming of a space like this. We have a 3-car garage finally where all the builds are gonna happen. So in the past couple houses, one was a rental house, so we didn't do anything to it, but it was a really crappy garage. And then the house that we were just living in, I'll talk a little bit more in another video about why we moved and everything like that, and kind of explain everything about that house. But it kind of got to the point where I didn't want to do anything to that garage. I did put up the lighting, but I didn't do anything else because we kind of scrapped some plans, and then this house happened. So this house, this garage is where all of that is gonna be happening. Basically everything that I had in the old garage, we're gonna be doing to this one as well. Changing some things, obviously. Gonna be doing a little bit different of an aesthetic than we had in that house, but painting all of the walls, getting those looking really nice, getting rid of these ugly wooden shelves up here, full cabinets on this side. We're gonna be doing the floors as well, probably doing an epoxy floor on that. I thought about stained concrete, but I think I'm gonna be doing an epoxy floor again in the garage. I haven't decided exactly what I wanna do for lighting. I really like how bright the lights were that I just installed in the old house, but I kinda wanna do something that looks a little bit more professional and built in. So I haven't decided on that yet. If you guys have ideas, let me know, but yeah. So we got the new LG OLED in the living room. Kept the old TV because no one wants to buy a TV that's like 7, 8 years old. This is the 60-inch plasma that we had in there. That is gonna be in the garage. So we're gonna have a huge TV. The one I had in the old Austin house, not the previous house that we just moved out in, but our old Austin house, I had a really crappy 50-inch in there. This one is gonna be pretty awesome. Yeah, I'll be doing a whole little garage build series for you guys. And I'm so freaking stoked. But that is the new house. Like I said, I haven't been as excited, both Abby and I, for a house that we've lived in. This is the most excited we've been for a house. It has everything that we want right now. I don't even know what else to say. I can't believe that it actually happened. That's why I didn't really say anything, because we didn't know if it was actually gonna work out. We had a couple things that needed to happen before this house could become a reality, but it did. And we've been here a week. Level of happiness is just like at an all-time high. I feel so good about stuff. I know you guys were probably expecting the next video on the channel to be continuing the install of the carbon on the S1000. This is why it's okay. This is not the reason why it hasn't come out yet. I'm still waiting on a couple of the pieces for that bike, the belly pan and the inner front fairing for the bike. But as soon as those come in, I can do those installs. But on top of that, we were moving out of our old house, moving into this house. So that's kind of why videos have been a little bit more spread out in the past month or so. So that's that. Ooh, look at that exhaust. Dang, look at that. Austin Racing. Ooh, looking freaking nice. I like it. So yeah, not clickbait. This is our house. This is where we're gonna be living now. Still in Austin, and more excited than ever for the year ahead. 2020 is gonna be freaking amazing. We've got a lot of builds coming this year, a lot of stuff finishing up, and that's that. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you do so, because we got tons of stuff coming up for you guys. Smash that like button, because you should always smash things. And you guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. I will see you guys in the next one.